What's that word? What's that say? Look at the word.
Hi, my name is Elisa. We're going to read some words. Make sure you look at the word.
What does that say?
Kick.
Kick? Are you sure? What's that word say?
Bah.
Clap.
Can you say
Clap.
clap? Clap. The baby is clapping. Can you clap?
What's that say?
No.
What?
No.
Nose. That's right. Let's see. Nose. Very good.
You say nose.
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 Delaney's touching her nose. Now you touch your nose.
What does that word say? Arms. That's right. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Arm. Arm.
The arrows are pointing to the baby's arm.
What does that say?
Whoa.
What does it say?
Whoa.
Look at the TV. It says arms. Arms up. That's right.
Down.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Put your arms up.
Arms up.
Arms down.
Arms down. Put your arms down. Go ahead. Put your arms down.
Mouth. Mouth.
Mouth.
Now.
Hayden can open his mouth. Now you open your mouth.
What does that word say?
Yeah.
No, not quite, but you know what it does say?
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait.
We are waiting for you.
Can you wave to us?
Dog. That's right.
Dog. Dog.
Dog loves to play. This dog is playing with his toy.
Puppy.
Look at the word. What does it say?
Ha. 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 Ha.
Guess she's done. It says cat. Anyways, we'll do more later. Kateri, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say I love you.